Hi, I want to talk a little bit about the final reflection and to clarify some of the complexities of what you're going to need to be doing when you're writing your final reflection. So here I am in MindTap. I clicked on MindTap to get here. I'm going to click on our main area. I'm going to bring up the MindTap here. And when it invokes itself here, it takes us to this week where chapter 11 is. I'm going to click on chapter 11, and in chapter 11 I'm going to scroll down. Oh, it takes me to 11.4c, structuring an argument. And so this is where I want to be. If I am not sure about, if I don't get immediately taken there, I guess I should, because that's what I wanted. You should be in structuring an argument. It gives you a structure for 4 kinds of argument: classical arrangement, Rogerian argument, inductive reasoning, and deductive reasoning. You can choose any of these that you would like to use for your organization. Now, the actual assignment that you're doing, we go down here to theory of writing. And here I am in the theory of writing. Hello. And I'm going to scroll down until I find the assignment for the final reflection, which is right here. The draft of the final course reflection, the draft, will be posted on your Google site ePortfolio on a new page titled Final Course Reflection. And that's by next Tuesday at 9 a.m. And in this final course reflection, you're going to go through the learning outcomes, these 5 learning outcomes, and you will use evidence from your portfolio to show that you have mastered these outcomes. So there are 3 things that you're doing. First, you are making an argument that you have mastered these learning outcomes. Second, you are using evidence from your portfolio. And third, you're putting this into an argument format. And the argument formats that will be able to help you structuring your argument are here in chapter 11 of your textbook. Now you'll notice that it mentions opposing views. Here's the opposing views in the Rogerian argument, and in the classical arrangement it also mentions refutation. So you're going to be talking about the strengths of your portfolio, but when you have to do the refutations or the alternative perspectives in these organizations, you're going to be talking about weaknesses, because your argument is that you have mastered it, mastered the learning outcomes. The counter argument is no, you have not mastered the outcomes, and these are just the weaknesses. And so you acknowledge the weaknesses in the portfolio, and you say, this is what I will be doing to address these weaknesses when or before I get to intermediate composition, which is the next composition course after 1001. So if you have any questions, never hesitate to email.